Come with me as I install a manual chicken door opener. I love it, and so do my chickens. This thing's amazing. Here's all of our tools and the chicken door to get started. The first thing that we're going to need to do is measure the chicken door opening to build a frame. So we're going to get the width and we're going to get the height of this so we can start building it. I used a 1x4, and you know what? This may not be the best place to be sawn, okay? But sometimes you just got to work with what you got. This is what I got, and you know what? It ended up perfect because I got a perfect piece. It fits great, and then we got the top piece, and then we are going to get the sides, so we have our frame, and these are the screws that I am using to secure the 3-inch deck screws. He's a peep inside the coop. I am just securing the frame right here, and then I'm going to put on the brackets to actually mount the door on, and the chickens came to say hi, and I have to manually screw in the door, and my hands are freezing. It's so cold. So my dad started to go and screw in for me because my hands were about to fall off, and he's a superhero. And then next we put this bracket for the power box on backwards, so we had to take it off, and then my dad dropped a screw under the coop, and then we were laughing. We thought that was funny. Here's the power box, and then here is the back of it where I had to secure the wires for the door, and then later on the light. As you will see, I also installed a light inside the coop that I am drilling a hole for right here where the cables are going to run in. I secured these cables later. Oh, it is so nice. And I am going to mount the power box right here. Let's see if it mounts. Come on. All right, she's on. Let's see if she works. Sweet. Let's give it a test and see if oh my gosh, she works. I love this thing. 10 out of 10. Would recommend if you have chicken skin automatic door. I love it. My chickens love it. Okay, bye.